free speech, that there are certain things you just can't do. And one is lie with malice. And that's what the jury found in this case. So
experts have revealed the main reason why Amber should withdraw her appeal right now. After losing to her now former husband, Amber Heard has faced a lot of difficulty to come to terms with the verdict given in the favor of Johnny Depp. And to save face, Amber hasn't yet given up, as she has filed for yet another appeal to the court that she does not accept the verdict given by the Fairfax County. However, many legal experts have weighed in their thoughts as to why this might just be another long shot without a tangent, as they reveal the main reason why the appeal won't work. Keep watching till the end to know everything there is to know. So what do legal experts have to say about Amber's appeal? Let's find out. To begin with, lawyer Christopher Melcher has listed out the main reasons as to why Amber's appeal lacks foundations.
Absolutely not. Neither party can bring in any new evidence in an appeal. The purpose of an appeal is not to retry the case. It's to have this supervisory court, the appellate court, look at the evidence that was presented, the rulings that the court made, and determine whether error occurred that was prejudicial, meaning that it would, likely could have resulted in a different outcome had that error not happened. So it's really just taking a look at what occurred and not allowing any new evidence at all. Even arguments that were not raised below can't be raised here above in the appellate level. And the reason for that is that we're in an appeal, we're criticizing the judge, or the jury. We're not criticizing the other party. We're criticizing the judge or the jury, saying that they made a mistake.
Melcher states she has the right to appeal, but she normally cannot challenge a factual determination, and the jury determined that she lied and acted maliciously. Only a legal error is subject to appeal. The court operates in this manner. The judge made a fairly accurate judgment as someone who has been a trial lawyer for a while now, Melcher added. He also demonstrates how he cannot identify a single glaring legal mistake that occurred in this instance. Interest begins to accumulate when you appeal. It is elevated in most states. As a result, Amber cannot file for bankruptcy discharge of the judgment since Depp established that Heard acted maliciously. Insolvency does not allow for the discharge of deliberate torts or intentional conduct anyways.
And the appellate court won't allow that to happen on information that was not presented to the judge or jury. It's fundamentally unfair to say I'm going to reverse a judge's ruling or a jury's verdict based on evidence that they never had, or arguments or positions that were never taken in the trial court level. So that's why it's frozen in time. We look at the transcripts of everyone who testified. That's all taken down by a court reporter, put in a booklet, and then the exhibits that were introduced into evidence, the arguments that were made. That's what we call the appellate record. And we have a saying on appeal, if it ain't in the record, it didn't happen. So even if
Additionally, the judgment in Virginia has a 10-year term and is automatically renewed for 2 more 10-year terms for a total of 30 years. In order to try to collect payment, Johnny might theoretically pursue Amber for 30 years while garnishing her salary, levying her bank accounts, and attaching her real properties. Therefore, it appears that Amber is exaggerating the situation without apparent cause or a legitimate justification, and this may have the effect of putting her in a bind once more, as explained by Christopher Melcher. Whatever happens to Amber's appeal, though, please note that the information in this video is totally based on theories and opinions and does not hold any factual basis. But what about other legal experts? What do they think about Heard standing a chance at winning the appeal? Let's take a look. On whether or not Heard's side should or will appeal the case, legal experts disagree. Depp's account appeared to be more credible in the jury's eyes than Heard's. Experts also agree that despite the fact that this jury's result appeared to be incongruous, appeal courts are frequently unwilling to reevaluate credibility determinations made by juries. Rebecca Sullivan, a family law specialist in Washington, D.C., claims that anyone appealing has an uphill battle. According to Los Angeles civil trial lawyer David Ring, it's a lengthy, expensive procedure. He predicted that the appeal would take at least 2 years, along with other specialists. It will likely cost Heard hundreds of thousands of dollars without a guarantee of success, according to many attorneys who talked with Time.
But what would Amber Heard's motive be for creating the hoax?
Elaine Bredehoft steps down from representing Amber Heard during her appeal in the defamation case.
Another major lesson learned, according to NBC News legal commentator Danny Tavelos, is that anyone appealing a jury verdict from the bat, the odds are against them. Because of the respect appellate courts have for the jury, he continued, that's how the system is set up, because they are very hesitant to reverse jury decisions. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.